2014 Honda CRV. Here's my oil filter stuck on there. I use the Dremel cutoff to cut into these 2 points so I could get the long nose vice grips on here. This is Klein brand, so that it'll get a grip on there, and it seems to be working. So I confirmed it's working, it's coming off. There's a little bit more shot of it here. This is kind of hard on my hand, so I'll use a little cloth for some comfort grip there. There's another view, how it came off. That's where I use the Dremel cutting wheel. Oh, that one, I guess it was enough there.